Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this OPPO smartphone. First of all, you need to locate Tools folder. When you find it, click on it. Then select Recorder app. If you never used it before, click on Allow in the pop-ups and choose this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you want to add a bookmark, click on this left icon, and in order to add a photo one, tap on the camera one. Now choose Agree and Continue, then Allow, and while using the app or only this time. Then take a picture. If you wish to discard it, you can click on this X icon and retake it. In order to save it though, tap on the check mark. Now you can discard your recording right away by tapping on this icon at the top left corner and selecting Leave and Delete Recording, or End it and save it by tapping on check mark at the top right one. Now name it however you wish to and tap on Save. As you can see, my recording is over here. In order to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select Delete at the bottom left corner over here, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to adjust more recording settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose Settings and manage all of them however you wish to, like recording file format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!